Welcome to MTV, Model Tech Videos, your place for fast-paced, high-energy learning.
Welcome, instructors. Today, we're going to walk through how to transform your existing Google slide decks into engaging, dynamic videos using Google Vids. To get started, open Google Vids using the waffle menu icon or simply type vids.new into your browser. Once you're on the homepage dashboard, look for the video creation options, including VO, AI avatar, convert slides, record, upload, templates, and blank vid. For this project, we will be converting a pre-existing slide deck into a vid. When you select Convert Slides, the file picker pops up to select your existing Google slide deck. Vids will instantly import your presentation slides to use as the baseline layout, graphics, or script reference for your new video. It's a great time saver for repurposing content you've already built. During the script editing and video customizing stage, ensure your script aligns with your content or edit as necessary. Choose an AI avatar and voiceover, or voiceover only, and customize the narrator. And finally, toggle animations on or off, allowing text and image animation timing to sync to the moment it's mentioned in AI voiceovers. With your project generated, your workspace is organized into 3 main sections. On the far right, you have the Media and AI Studio panel, where you can generate new clips using VO, add royalty-free media, or insert text overlays. In the middle is the central canvas, showing a high-fidelity preview of exactly what your students will see. And along the bottom is the multi-track timeline, where you can sequence your video clips, sync transitions, and drop in audio files. And that's it! You're now ready to collaborate with your AI-powered video editing partner to turn static presentations into dynamic learning media, complete with voiceovers and rich motion graphics. Happy teaching!